Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about exercise 11C, intermediate level. We have already done exercise 11B, last question in our last lecture, and we need to be very careful according to these diagrams, what we are doing today. Question number 3 is, the figure shows a quadrilateral. We have a diagram like this. This is A, this is D, this is B, and this is C. This length is 7 meter. The AD length is 4 meter.
Then question 2D part
And BC length is also 7 meter.
मैं सोचूं अपनी डॉल
To find the angle
ना बड़ी हो गई और मेरे
ABC. And the second thing is, you need to find the length of side BC. One thing you need to know, that is, first you need to find the angle ABC. How we can find that? What he is talking about, that is this of angle A, angle B, or angle C. Remember, the middle term is your angle, this D. Your angle starts from A. The thing you need to focus, the angle which you need to focus is at the middle point, and C is the ending point. A, B, C. So this is A, this is D, and this is C. You need to find this angle. You need to be very careful according to this question or any question, what its requirement is according to the angle. So either you can find the side or either you can find the angle. It's up to you. Okay. First we will find that side, BC side. This is side BC, which is totally unknown. So, but this diagram is not any right angle triangle or any triangle. This is just like a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is the diagram which have 4 sides. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-sided closed diagram. You can do this. You can see that this BC side, and if you join this A to parallel to this, and you can make this point that is E. So you can conclude that this BC side and this AE side both are equal. Both have equal length. BC is equal to AE. Both are equal. What is BC side is what is AE side. If this angle is 90 degrees, then obviously this angle is also 90 degrees. So you can say that another right angle triangle formed here. So this right angle triangle is ADE or EAD. This is right angle triangle. We need to draw this right angle triangle here. This is A, this is G, and this is E. And the sides which are known are, this is 7 meter, and the side which you need to know, that is BC. But we can't find BC side. But if we can find AE side, that is here. If we are going to find this side AE, then this AE side must be equal to this BC side. So we can easily find the value of BC. So our target is just to find the value of this side AE. Okay. Now what is the basic angle here? You can see that no basic angle is presented here. In your question number 3, AB side is, this AB side is of 4 meter, This is 7 meter. So what about this side? This 7 meter. This side is BC. This D and this C. This whole side is of 7 meter. Okay. Another thing is from this D to this C, this side is totally 7 meter. But what about this side DE? Can you find this side DE? Yes, you can easily find because this AB side is of 4 meters. So it must be EC side. It must be equal to this EC side. We can say that also AB side is equal to this EC side. So AB side is 4 meter, then this EC side must be of 4 meter. This is just like this. So what about this DE side? Remember, from this D to this C, total is 7 meter. This portion EC is of 4 meter and the remaining part be of 3 meter. How you can recognize that this is of 3 meter? Because this 3 plus this 4, 3 meter plus 4 meter equal to total 7 meter. So we have now another side that is DE side. This is of 3 meter. So you have right angle triangle. Now you don't need any basic angle here. You need to require third side only. So the third side is here, that is base. You can say that for this right angle triangle, what is hypotenuse? You can make any side because you need to find this angle ABC. Okay, you can make this angle B the basic angle. Either you can suppose this angle, either you can suppose this angle as a basic angle. That is totally up to you. But we need to find this angle also. So we can suppose the basic angle here, this angle D. Okay. So to find out 90-degree opposite side, which is hypotenuse, that is AD, whose length is 7 meter. Okay. The basic angle which we have supposed here, that is angle D. We can write it as angle D or angle ADCE. Which we need to know that what is this? This is basic angle which we consider it. Opposite to that basic angle, the side is called perpendicular. So perpendicular here is AE, which is still unknown. Okay. The side adjacent to this basic angle towards the 90-degree angle, this side is called the base. So the base here is DE, which is known side. Now you can see that two sides are known and one side is unknown for the right angle triangle. So for this one, you can easily find the third side and you have already knowledge about that formula, that is Pythagoras formula. So apply Pythagoras formula. You
Sir, can you tell this again?
Regarding this diagram or anything, you can ask during the lecture also. Just type it. Okay. So what is Pythagoras formula? You have already knowledge about the right angle triangle, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. So we have hypotenuse value, that is 7 meter. 7 square is equal to perpendicular. We don't have any side perpendicular. That is only 18. So say that this is 18 square. The value of base here is 3 meters. So 3 square. 7 square is 49. 8 square. 3 square is 9. So this 9 will going to minus, subtract there, 49 minus 9 is equal to 8. 2 square, 49 minus 9 is 40. So 80 square is equal to 40. We don't need the value of 80 square, but we need only the value of 80 only. To remove this square, we need to apply here, apply square root. Square root we can apply to remove this square. The square will cancel to the square root. So 80 will equal to 40 square root. What is the square root of 40? Open your calculator and find the square root of 40.
6.32.
Square root 40. 6.32. That's it. This is totally about the side AE. The side AE is of 6.32 meter. So AE side are already equal to BC side, which is our requirement. So you can say that AE answer is what for BC side. Mean to say BC is equal to 6.32 meter. So this is our first part. Second part. Now, if you are clear about the situation, so you need to find only this angle. This angle is ADC or ADE, whatever it is, you need to find this angle. Through this diagram, you can easily find that angle. You have already knowledge about this. How you can find this angle easily? Yes, Fatma and Farm, we have already done question number 2, part D in last lecture. I think you were not present.
सर ये हमने
We
लास्ट
don't
लेक्चर में
need
तो
to
क्वेश्चन
do
नंबर 6 किया था.
the advanced level of exercise 11B. We have already done, in our previous lecture, we have already done the last part, the D part of exercise 11B. I think you were not present. Okay. The remaining part is, we have these three sides, 1, 2, 3, for this right angle triangle. I need to find this angle D. So, for these three values, you can easily find the angle. Now you have this side AE, that is 6.32 meter. Our requirement is to find the angle. This angle is angle D. So you have hypotenuse, you have perpendicular, you have base. You can apply any trigonometric ratio, whatever you want. Marking this basic angle. Okay, I am using sine of this angle D. You know that sine is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. The value of perpendicular is 6.32. The value of hypotenuse is 7 meter. Now divide them. Divide both of them. Fatma Irfan, we have done question number. Yes, question number 6. This question number 6 in last lecture, and we don't need to do this advanced level questions. We need to skip that. Okay. The last question of exercise 11B for you is till question number 6. Now you need to do is your exercise 11C remaining question. Now the answer here is 0.90. That is a ratio 6.32 divided by 7. 0.902. How we can find this angle D? You need to apply sine inverse there. This sine will be inverse there. Angle D. Now open your scientific calculators and apply shift plus, apply shift, then sine button. And open my scientific calculator. What will be the angle? Shift,
64.4.
then sine button. It will mark as sine inverse, and then 0.902. The angle here is 64.42. This is symbol of angle. Angle D is 64.42 degrees. Now this is this angle. Angle ADC, that is 64.42 degrees. And that's it. This was your question number 3. Now we will discuss about question number 4. Question number 4 is, the diagram is this is the angle M, H, this side is 9.2, this is 15.5, this is L, and you need to find the angle MLN and the length of HL. You need to find it. Now you can see that you have 3 right angle triangles here. First right angle triangle here is this NMH. Second right angle triangle, sorry, 3 triangles here, but 2 are there, right angle triangles. The second triangle is HML. This is not right angle triangle because it doesn't contain any 90-degree angle. The third is NML. Okay. First, we need to find this angle MLN. So, angle starts from M, middle angle is L, and this is N. We need to find this angle. And the side we need to find is HL. Where is HL? This is HL. Sir. Okay, how you can solve this question? your known sides are this 9.2 and this 15.5. Okay. The side HL is for this triangle MLH. But this is not the right angle triangle according to your book. 9.2 centimeter HL side, LM side is 15.5 centimeter, and angle LML is of 90 degree. So how you can find the length of HL? You can easily find the length of HL, but first you need to solve this right angle triangle. First you need to find this side NH. This side NH we need to form. For this purpose, the right angle triangle we need is triangle MNH. For this right angle triangle, you can see that N is 90 degree, H and 38 degree for this angle, and this side is now 9.2. This side is. Now you need to find this side NH. His requirement is not to find this side NH, but without this we can't find this side HL. Okay. To find this side NH, the active side, the angle is of 30 degrees, 38 degrees. The side opposite to 90 degree angle is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse here is MH, which is 9.2. The side opposite to basic angle here is this. That is base, which we need to find, that is NH, which we need to find. Okay, we need to find this base, and one side is given. Now think about that mixture of base and hypotenuse, which is the trigonometric ratio that we can use it easily. You know that cos, you can use it. So cos 38 degree. We need to use the basic angle here if it is given. Okay, it's equal to base over hypotenuse. Now open your calculators. Cos 38 answer is 0.788. The base is sorry. One thing is wrong here. The side the side opposite to basic angle is not base. The side opposite to basic angle is perpendicular. Now correct yourself if you have already written this. This is not the base, this is perpendicular, because you know that opposite to the basic angle, the side is called perpendicular. So mixture of perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is sine 38 degree is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Now sine 38 value is 0.615. Perpendicular is NH and hypotenuse side is 9.2. You just need to, this is divide and you need to multiply 9.2 with 0.615. So NH is equal to 0.615 multiplied by 9.2. So open your calculator and multiply that. 9.2 multiplied by 0.615. Answer is 5.65. This side now NH is 5.65. Although it is not our requirement, but without this we can't do with this HL side. Now we can solve about HL side. Okay. Now we will discuss about this right angle triangle. About right angle triangle M and L. You just only need to draw these three sides, not the middle sides. This is N, this angle is unknown, L, this side is M, and this is P. Again, one thing, this is 15.5 and this side is 5.65. This side is 5.65 and this side is HL. The total side is from here to here. That is 5.65 plus HL. So you can write it as 5.65 plus HL. This is H to this. Okay. So this is hypotenuse, this is base. And remember again one thing, this angle is not 38 degree because this is only this portion that is 38 degree, not complete angle M. Not complete angle M is 38 degree. This angle is 38 degree, that is MH is 38 degree. Not complete M is 38 degree. So we can't write here 38 degree. Okay. So now we need to find this HL. But for that purpose, we need this basic angle also. Then what is this basic angle? This is 38 degree. This is base. This is hypotenuse. We don't have any basic angle, not like this and like this. So how we can find this basic angle? The basic angle here is, this is 90 degree and this is 38 degree and this angle was totally unknown. So we need to find this angle first. This angle is H. If we found this angle H, we can easily find this angle which is unknown, this portion of it. Although this is not the requirement, but without this we can't make this angle. Because to solve this triangle we need one known angle also. But we don't have this angle, this portion of angle. So for that purpose we need to find this angle. So for previous diagram, that was this M, H, and this M, that is 38 degree, this is 90 degree. How we can find this angle? You know that from class 6, class 7, that sum of these three angles are, consider 90 degree plus angle 38 plus this unknown angle, angle H. The sum of these are 180 degree. So 90 plus 38, that is 128 plus angle H is equal to 180 degree. 128 must be subtracted there. The angle H is equal to 180 degree minus 128 degree. Now subtract them. 180 minus 128. Answer is 52. So angle H is of 52 degree. Now we can say that this angle H is 52 degree. Here, this is 52 degree. And this, if this is 52 degree, then this angle also be 52 degree. So this complete angle is 38 degree plus 52 degree. So this complete angle is 38 plus 52. This is 2 plus 8, 10. 38 degree plus 52 degree, 8 plus 2, 10, 3 plus 1, that is 90 degree. Some mistake here. 52, this is 38. The thing is 38. 90 plus 38. 90 plus 38, 128 minus 180, 52, that's 38. Okay. If we are going to apply here the situation that is this is base and this is hypotenuse, we can solve this if you have any problem regarding this angle, because this angle is bigger and this makes these values totally incorrect. So you have another method. Without doing this, you can easily do this by finding this side also. So this side for this right angle triangle, this must be the long method. So the shortest method is to find the third side. So the third side is, this is 5.65, this is 9.2. So the third side is mm here. How you can find the third side? That is to apply the Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras formula is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. Hypotenuse value is 9.2. Square perpendicular here is opposite to basic angle, that is 5.65. Square plus base is here and then square. Okay, you can easily do this. 9.2 square is 9.2, 84.64. This 5.65 square is positive and will be negative here. So you can subtract it. 5.65. Okay. 31.92 subtracted is equal to mn whole square. Now subtract them. Minus, that is 52.72. But this is square value. Apply square root on it. The square will cancel to this square root. So mn value is equal to square root of 52.72. That is 7.26. I think you can easily watch this. This is mn side. So mn side for this, that is 7.26, and also for this value. You can see that for only this portion, we need to solve a bigger portion. So now we can easily solve this. We have three sides, 1, 2, 3 for this right angle triangle. So apply Pythagoras formula here. Pythagoras formula is, we have short time, so directly I am doing this. Opposite to 90 degree, this side is hypotenuse, so 15.5 square. Hypotenuse square, opposite to basic angle. Now, what is basic angle? Any angle you need to make it. I am saying that this is basic angle. So this is perpendicular square, 5.65 plus HL whole square plus base square. Now solve this. $15.5 240.25, 5.65 plus HL whole square, just here on it, and 7.26, that is 52.70. This will be minus 2, this 240.25 minus 52.70 is equal to 5.65 plus H whole square. Now subtract them. 187.54. Now this is scarce value. To get rid of this, we need to apply square root on both of them. This square will cancel to this square root. So square root of 187.54, that is 13.69. So you can say that 5.65 plus HL is equal to 13.69. This 5.65 will subtract there. So HL is equal to 13.69 minus 5.65. That is 8.04. Now we are able to find this value.